Welcome to The Vector. Have you ever felt like you're blending into the background while others seem to captivate everyone's attention effortlessly? They possess a magnetic charm that keeps everyone intrigued. But do you know what truly creates this allure? Today, we're diving into the secrets behind that captivating magnetism. From self-confidence and effective communication to those subtle yet powerful traits that aren't always obvious. Get ready to discover how to become the center of admiration, not just through appearances, but from within. So, have you ever wondered what makes someone irresistible? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the intriguing tips we're about to share. And don't forget to leave your thoughts on charm in the comments below. Do you have any fascinating experiences to share? Let's embark on this journey to uncover the secrets of irresistible allure right now. 1. Self-confidence and being yourself. In the first part of this video, we're exploring a crucial element that contributes to irresistible allure, self-confidence and staying true to yourself. But before we dive in, picture this. Have you ever seen someone so confident that their presence lights up the entire room like a flashbulb? Confidence isn't just an accessory, it's an integral part of who you are. It's what helps you stand out in a crowd without getting lost. When you're confident, you don't just enter a room, you light it up. Think of confidence as not needing to become a superhero to be captivating. It's like finding the perfect fit when choosing new clothes. When it's right and comfortable, you feel confident instantly. Don't shy away. Confidence isn't something you can just buy. It's a blend of your internal and external qualities. A great tip to boost your confidence is to remember that it's perfectly fine to be yourself. Confidence isn't about trying to be someone else, but about accepting and loving who you are. When you love yourself, you not only see yourself as more attractive, but others do too. If you're feeling nervous about expressing yourself, imagine you're a star getting ready for a big stage. Focus on performing, doing what you love, and let your confidence shine like a beacon. Ready to explore the next part? We'll delve into how effective communication can make a lasting impression. Stay tuned, as each step in this journey will bring you closer to irresistible allure. 2. Communication skills. Having discussed the power of self-confidence, the next vital element to boost your allure is communication skills. Think of communication as the golden key that unlocks the door to successful conversations. Have you ever felt like a character in an action film, where every word you say makes a powerful impact on others? Effective communication isn't just about talking, it's an art of showing interest and connecting with others. Sometimes you don't need a mysterious tone or fancy words, just sincere listening and genuine responses can make a fantastic conversation. Simply put, good communication is like knowing how to cook a great dish. You need to blend the ingredients just right to create a delightful flavor. One effective way to improve your communication skills is practicing active listening. This means when someone is talking, you don't just listen, but actively engage by asking questions, suggesting ideas, and showing interest. Imagine you're at a party, leaving a memorable impression with interesting questions, like asking, "Do you think this dessert could become the hit of the party?" Communication skills also involve adapting your style to different situations. Sometimes you might need to be more formal in a meeting, but friendly and relaxed with friends. And if you feel your communication skills need a bit of work, don't worry. See it as an opportunity to practice and grow. Don't hesitate to experiment with new techniques and learn from feedback. We're nearing the end of our journey, where we'll explore how to build genuine connections through sharing emotions and setting goals in conversations. Keep watching to discover essential tips to become an engaging and magnetic communicator. 3. Passion. Hey there. We've covered essential elements for charm. And now let's dive into a crucial factor to make your allure truly explosive. Passion. Think of passion as the secret spice in your life's recipe. It's what makes you stand out and unforgettable. Passion isn't just about hard work. It's about that inner fire when you pursue what you love. Do you remember the last time you felt time flew by because you were doing something you truly enjoyed? That's the power of passion. When you're passionate about something, it shows not just in your actions, but also in how you talk about it. That's why, when you meet someone who speaks about their interests with bright eyes, you feel instantly drawn to them. Think about the people you find most attractive. They're likely those who live fully with their passions, making them even more appealing. So, how do you effectively showcase your passion? First, make sure you genuinely believe in what you're pursuing. Genuine passion comes from how much you love it. Don't hesitate to share stories, small achievements, or things that make you happy. And don't forget to add a bit of humor to your passion. Sometimes, a funny story or a bit of humor can make your enthusiasm more accessible and enjoyable for others. For instance, if you love cooking, share a funny tale about how you turned a meal into a delightful disaster. Finally, remember that passion isn't a temporary state, but a vital part of your life. It's what keeps you energetic and attractive. So, keep pursuing your passions and let them lead you to wonderful things. We've explored an exciting part of allure. Now let's move on to discover more elements that can make you even more captivating. 4. Respect and empathy. We've delved into self-confidence, communication, and passion, key elements for allure. Now let's explore a crucial part that makes you truly special: respect and empathy. Imagine respect and empathy as the perfect seasoning that makes your relationships richer and more meaningful. Did you know that a sincere smile and a warm pat on the back can make a bigger impact than 1,000 words? That's the power of respect and empathy. Respect is the foundation of all relationships. When you respect others, you show that you value them and care about their opinions. For example, when someone shares a different viewpoint, instead of immediately countering it, try asking questions to understand better and show respect for their perspective. Think of respect like keeping a cookie from breaking. You need to handle it gently to preserve its integrity. Empathy, on the other hand, is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes and feel what they're going through. Empathy isn't just saying, "I understand," but truly feeling and sharing in someone's joy or pain. To do this, imagine you're an emotional detective, always seeking small clues to understand others' feelings. When you genuinely empathize, you not only make others feel supported, but also create a deeper connection with them. To demonstrate respect and empathy, start with simple actions like listening without interrupting, showing genuine concern, and taking the time to understand others' feelings. A way to make your empathy memorable is by sharing personal stories about experiences where you learned valuable lessons. And remember, a touch of humor never hurts. A funny story about a time you misunderstood a situation but learned a valuable lesson can make your empathy more relatable. We've completed our exploration of key allure factors, and we hope you found useful tips to apply in your life. Keep showing respect and empathy in your relationships and see the magical changes it brings. And that's how we build captivating allure from core elements: self-confidence, communication, passion, and respect. But before you go, we want to hear something from you. We're curious about your own charm tips. Do you have any tricks that make you stand out in a crowd, or a memorable story about when you showed respect or empathy? Share with us in the comments below. We're excited to read and interact with you. If you found this video helpful and want to continue exploring charm secrets, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We always have fresh and exciting content waiting for you. Thank you for joining The Vector today. Keep shining and becoming the most irresistible version of yourself. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more fascinating topics. Wishing you a fantastic and magnetic day.